Namaskar and welcome to my channel. I am Aham, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to create a portfolio website with $0 investment. So before that we need to go and download an IDE. In my case I will download let's see for best IDE. Okay, here we have Microsoft Visual Studio. Click on that and then you should have this. Go to download. Okay, and then here you have Visual Studio Code. Download this free download. So it depends on your OS. My case I'm using Mac OS, so I'm going to use this, but if you're using Windows 64 you have to download this. Okay, so I'll tap on the Mac OS and we have to wait for a few seconds for us to start downloading. Okay, let's download. Okay, allow. Once I allow, it will start downloading. So one more thing, as the download continues, okay, we need to go here and to the Google search, and then here we will clone a website. The website which we are going to clone will be from W3 School website, W3 Schools. Okay, go there, and then here you should have open one of this W3 homepage, and then from the exercise, okay, let's see reference. Do we have website? Okay, let's click one of this, and then here when you click you will have more option. Okay, click on that, and then here go to web templates, and you have got there are a lot of tons of web templates. You can use any of this as per your requirement, but in our case we are going to make a portfolio, so we will look for the portfolio website example. Okay, this is the one I want, portfolio. Okay, so this will be very helpful for you. Place your website in your social media or along with your biodata for any job and any reference. People can visit your website and see what are the experience you have, your certification and all that stuffs and about you. So this is the source code. We'll copy this and paste it in our website. So how do we get the website domain, or I mean to say the host? Where do we host it? We'll go to Google again, and we have, if you have a Gmail, then it will be easy for you. So for that case let's go first to just type in Firebase console. Okay, Firebase console, type in, and then here come to Firebase console Google. Okay, click on that. Since I have signed in, it will not prompt me to sign in, but instead it will take me directly to my Firebase console. Click on the add project. You will do the same thing. Okay, wait for some time, and then you will give the name here, my portfolio, right? Sorry, my portfolio, or you can give your name or anything you wish to give, and click on continue. As you click on continue, it will divert you to this page, and just click on continue again, and then here you can from the drop down select default account for Firebase, right? And then just click on create project and wait for some time for the project to create, and we'll go and check in the download if our IDE is already being downloaded. Okay, our Visual Studio is already downloaded. We'll click on this, double click. Okay, and then open, and our IDE is installed, right? Let me minimize. I need to drag this to my application folder. So what I will do, I will drag and drop it in the application folder. So next time I will have it from my application itself. Yeah, now I have this IDE. Okay, so how we do create a shortcut for IDE for that? Okay, our project is right now, so let's click on continue, and we should have our portfolio ready. Okay, we need to configure here. So here you have three icons: iOS, Android, and then you have web, and then we have got Unity. So click on the web, and then here give the name of your web. Say for example, I will give my nickname Aham. Okay, and then here you can also set a Firebase hosting for this app. Click on that. Okay, and then that you can make your new site also, no problem. If you click, you can give it your desired name here. Okay, but I'll leave it as it is and tap on the register app. In few seconds it should be ready for us. Okay, now it says that these are the scripts. Okay, let's tap on next, and then here we need to install the Firebase and tools. Okay, for that you have to click on the clipboard icon and it will copy for you. And now open your IDE. In my case Visual Studio. Okay, and then here I will go to the terminal, new terminal, and it should open a terminal for me here. Let me ls. Okay, I don't want here, so I want it in the desktop. So let me visit the desktop. Allow. Okay, now I'm in my desktop, so I will create here. I will do one thing. Okay, sorry, I will go to the home page. I should not have come here. So I'm in the home page. I will just paste it here, my code. Okay, now it won't work because we have not installed npm, right? First of all, we need to install npm. So let's go to the Google, and then let's search for npm. Okay, go to install npm, and then here download Node.js and npm, right? Click on that, and then I will click on the LTS, which is recommended for most users, and allow download. We'll update that as well in a moment. Okay, let's go back to our download directory and check if we have this npm. I have already it's already downloaded. Let me double click here, and once I double click, I will continue, of course, and then I'll continue and agree. Okay, install, and I need to provide my password. It's installing. Okay, installation done. Now I will go to my IDE and check. How should we check? What is Node V and npm v, right? Node v, do we have? Yes, it is installed. npm v, yeah, it's installed, so we don't need to worry. Now we can also, okay, let's update as well. For updating to the latest version, let's do one thing. Grab this, copy it, and paste in your terminal and hit enter, and it should update your npm module. Okay, let it continue, and then here what we will do, we will want the, let's go to our portfolio, I mean Google portfolio. Copy this again, clipboard, and then here in your terminal paste it and hit enter, and it should start. Okay, till then I will give a pause so that once it is downloaded and it is configured, I'll come back and in this same page and proceed with other settings and configuration. The download is complete, but then there are errors. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to paste it again, and then we need to set to su, which is the owner of this user, I mean the user of this specific window. Okay, then hit enter, then just put your password and hit enter again. Okay, the password was wrong, do the same again, enter. Okay, sorry, it should not be su, it should be sudo. I made a mistake. Okay, I think this time it should work. Yeah, this time the package will be installed properly and correctly. And then we also have a problem here. We are having the same problem here, so we'll do the same thing here. We'll add sudo in the beginning. Okay, and then give the password, of course, enter. And this also started downloading, so I mean yeah, downloading the latest version, and indeed it's working very fast. See, there are no more problems, you can see it's smiling. Okay, we can cancel this right as of now, and here the download is continuing. Okay, this is the Firebase tool that we are downloading. We need this in order to use our Firebase host, and okay, host, and then also the, what do you call this, configure our website. Okay, till then, okay, we will wait, no problem. It's going to finish in seconds. Okay, this might take more than 5 minutes because I'm also installing other items. Okay, but if you have already everything ready, then it will take only 5 minutes. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, we have installed Firebase, right? Now we will do one thing, and that is, let's do one thing, what we can do. Okay, let's go, and here in our Firebase again, click on next. Since we have installed, see, it's saying the Firebase login, we need to log in. Okay, copy this in the clipboard, and then here you paste it. This time you don't need the sudo, so hit enter, and it should take you to the login page. If you have not logged in, it's saying allow Firebase to collect CLI usage and error regarding information. CLI, command line interface, right? Okay, yes, and then hit enter, and then it should come here, and then this is my email ID where I configured my website, my portfolio website. Hit allow, and then it's logged. Okay, so now we can cancel this, we can also cancel this npm, and we can cancel this portfolio spelling as well, and here we are. So after that we need to do Firebase init. Okay, copy this again, and then we will do here Firebase init. But before we do that, we'll create a folder. Okay, make dir, and then we'll just write portfolio. Okay, and portfolio spelling is wrong, it should be T, and then hit enter, and cd into portfolio. I mean, it should go inside the portfolio folder, and then here we will paste our Firebase init. Okay, so we are initializing Firebase here, so hit enter, and then here when you have this option, come down, and here you will have hosting. Okay, hosting configurations, and configure and deploy Firebase hosting sites. This is the one. Okay, so you'll, in my case, I am tapping on the space bar to select it. It is selected, you can see it's green now here with a dot, and then I will hit enter. Right now, use existing project. Yes, I want to use my existing project. Okay, I will click enter, and then it should list me an existing projects, and this is my project. You have to scroll down, okay, using your up and down arrow on your right side of the keyboard or keypad. So this is the project just we created, my portfolio. Okay, hit there, enter. When you in this your cursor is in this position, hit the enter key, and then here it's saying what do you want to use as your public directory. Of course public, just write it public and hit enter, and then it's asking configure as a single page app, rewrite all URLs to index.html. Yes, hit yes, and then it is created. Let's ls. See, you have already the folder. Okay, now go to public. Okay, before that we don't need to go to public. We have to go here in the file of our IDE, then go to open. Okay, and then we go to the desktop. We go to our, okay, we have not created there, right? Where did we create it? Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll cancel this. We'll do one thing. We'll ls. We'll go back. Okay, and then here, see, it is created. We'll move this portfolio, okay, to our desktop. Move portfolio where? To my desktop, current directory desktop. Okay, now it should move. Okay, now we can go again to the file and then open, and then here let's go to desktop, and we have this portfolio, right? So we want to open this. Yeah, this is the website. You can see here, this is the source code. Okay, so what we will do, we will go back to our source code. This is our source code. Okay, copy the entire thing, copy, and then here we will do one thing. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's paste it. Okay, yeah, let's paste it here, right? We paste, and then from here, from this we will take certain things which are required by us. Okay, we'll just give the title name Aham portfolio. Okay, and then you can also, okay, this will remain as it is. We can do one more thing here. Okay, we need to grabs this thing, all this thing. Okay, grabs this. Okay, regarding style we don't need, grabs this, copy, and then you should paste it. Where is it? In the header. Okay, head of the HTML. In our case, okay, we don't have your head, so we need to create a head here. Okay, and then cut this, and where is the style? Okay, use your head. Okay, and then also we want to paste the code. Okay, let's go back again, and then we'll do one thing. We'll copy this entire thing, this function. Okay, and then now paste again here. Where is the style? It's here. Okay, where it started, the style. Okay, we can give it just below this metadata. We can give under this, we'll give under metadata. Okay, and then we also want, what else? We want the script, right? Copy the script. Do we need the script? Actually, we don't need it. It works fine, but for future use, maybe we can copy this, and then we can paste it within this, maybe inside the footer, no problem. We'll just below the footer, and then now we will remove this. First, let's copy this. Okay, let's remove from here, from HTML, the whole page up to this, right? And then this also, right? Okay, now let's go to our what do you call, to our portfolio. It says then deploy. Lastly, we will deploy it. Okay, so let's continue to console. We have done continue, and now we'll go back, and then in our terminal, go to the terminal. Where is the terminal? Open the terminal, and we paste our deploy, of course, and then hit enter. Okay, it's uploading in the server, and in a moment it should be ready. Okay, the website is ready and the website is being created for us. You can see here, this is the website. HTTPS, which is secured. HTTPS is always secured portfolio. I copy it, and then let me go to my browser, paste it here, and then enter, and the page is being opened. Okay, but then it is not showing. Why? Because we have not saved it. We should first save, okay, then we should upload it. Deploy again. You need to save for any changes to reflect. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and hit the bell icon for latest notification on the video that I upload. Okay, now it's uploaded. I will refresh this and see if there is any change in the website. Yes, there is a change. You can set here your, see, you can change all these datas, whatever you see here, datas. Now after that you can change here, you can put functions as per your requirements. You can change the number. How you do that? Usually you have the source code already. So what do you do here? Say for example, we want to change this avatar. Okay, in case of Firebase console, if you hard code like this your image, it won't work. So you have to convert into base 64. Okay, for example, let's go to an image. Let's search for an image. For example, okay, let's give Salman Khan image, right? And then say for example we want this. Okay, we'll download this. It looks cool here, right? Or maybe we want a square size. What is the size? 600 by 600. Okay, this will be fine. Right click on that and save the image, right? Save the image in the, okay, let's save it in the download, no problem. And now go to Google again. I mean, we can go here again, no problem. Go back, and then go back. Here we will write, okay, base 64 image converter. Use this, and then here go to base 64 image encoder, and then here click on the drag and drop image anywhere, and from the download we have Salman Khan. Yeah, this one. Okay, choose it. It will upload, and then here you have show source code. Click on that and then select all and copy it. Okay, in case you want to use inside HTML, you will use this, but in case you want to use from the CSS, you'll use the below source code. Okay, so now go back to your IDE and then delete this, right, and paste it your source code. Okay, now save it, right, and deploy again. Firebase deploy, and this time you should see the change. Okay, deploy is over. No, not yet. Once again, friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and hit the bell icon for latest notification on the video that I upload. Okay, we have done. Now let's go to our portfolio and then refresh this. Let's refresh and see. You can see once I refresh, the image is changed. Now Salman Khan. The same way you can make changes wherever required or wherever necessary for you, wherever you want to. But in case of image, always use this way to upload your image. Okay, base 64 encode, otherwise it will not support. So you can change here designer. Okay, you can change your address here, London, UK, and you can give here your email. For example, here I'll give my email, right? uh, abongchair at gmail .com. Okay, you will see this change. Okay, and then let's give this. Okay, this is let me give Ceylon. Okay, Meghalaya. Okay, India. Okay, you'll see a change. Where is the change? Okay, here let me see where is it. um, okay, here you see under the photo designer, London, UK, all this will be reflected. Okay, so before that I need to upsave it. Okay, and then in the same way you can change photos, and I mean the image, the background color. Okay, and then again hit Firebase deploy. See, you can change the background color, you can change this font style, you can use Google font. Wherever necessary you want to change, you can change it. And you can add function also to this social media link. Okay, so let's see if it is uploaded. Not yet. Yeah, finish. Okay, let's now refresh it, and you should see a change in the page. See, you see here designer Shillong Meghalaya India has come, and my email ID. So that is how you change. Okay, this is the way. So I showed you, and you have seen that I have not invested any money, or I have not spent any money. It's totally free. It's totally free, provided by the domain is provided, and the host also is provided by the Google, which is totally free up to 10 GB. Okay, and that is the reason why I do not have to spend, and that's the reason why our this video tutorial is known as $0 investment portfolio website. Thank you.